Let's explore the essential role chemistry plays in medicine. From drug design to diagnostics, chemical science is the foundation of how we heal, protect, and advance human health. Hi there, I'm Georgia from Mentavia. We'll dive into the essential role chemistry plays in medicine, from how drugs interact with the body to the molecular science behind treatments and diagnostics. Let's explore how chemistry helps heal, protect, and transform lives. From the moment a new disease is identified to the development of life-saving treatments, chemical principles are at the very heart of medical advancement. It's chemistry that provides the tools and understanding necessary to combat illness and improve human health globally. One of the most crucial ways chemistry is used in medicine is through the development of new drugs. This complex process begins with identifying a target, perhaps a protein or enzyme involved in a disease. Chemists then design and synthesize novel chemical compounds, often in vast numbers, to interact with these targets. This involves understanding molecular structures and how they can be modified to achieve desired therapeutic effects while minimizing side effects. Beyond creating new compounds, chemistry is essential for understanding how drugs interact with the body. This involves studying the intricate chemical reactions that occur from the moment a drug is administered until it is eliminated. It's about figuring out how a drug travels through the bloodstream, reaches its target cells, exerts its effect, and is eventually broken down and excreted. This knowledge is fundamental for determining appropriate dosages, predicting potential side effects, and ensuring drug safety and efficacy. Let's delve into some specific examples of chemical compounds that have revolutionized medicine. First up is aspirin, known chemically as acetyl salicylic acid. This remarkable compound, initially derived from willow bark, has been a cornerstone of pain relief and anti-inflammatory treatment for over a century. Its chemical synthesis and modification were key to making it a widely tolerated and effective medication. Aspirin works by chemically inhibiting specific enzymes in the body called cyclooxygenases, or QX enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for producing prostaglandins, which are signaling molecules that trigger pain, inflammation, and fever. By irreversibly binding to and blocking these enzymes, aspirin effectively reduces these symptoms. The precise chemical structure of acetyl salicylic acid allows it to target these enzymes with high specificity, making it highly effective. Next, let's consider antibiotics, a class of drugs that have dramatically transformed the fight against bacterial infections. The discovery of penicillin, for instance, paved the way for an entire field of chemical research dedicated to finding and synthesizing compounds that can selectively kill or inhibit the growth of bacteria without harming human cells. Different classes of antibiotics employ unique chemical strategies to combat bacteria. For example, penicillins and cephalosporins, known as beta-lactam antibiotics, work by interfering with the chemical synthesis of bacterial cell walls, causing the bacteria to burst. Other antibiotics, like tetracyclines, chemically bind to bacterial ribosomes, thus inhibiting the production of essential proteins needed for bacterial survival. Each class has a distinct chemical structure tailored to its specific bacterial target. The ongoing challenge of antibiotic resistance highlights the dynamic and critical role of chemistry. As bacteria evolve and develop resistance mechanisms, chemists are constantly engaged in a chemical arms race, researching and synthesizing new compounds, modifying existing ones, and exploring novel mechanisms of action to stay ahead. This continuous chemical innovation is vital to ensure we have effective treatments for bacterial infections in the future. In summary, chemistry is not merely a supporting player in medicine, it is the lead actor. From the initial spark of drug discovery to understanding complex biological interactions and developing new therapies, chemical principles are fundamental. The advancements in medicine that we often take for granted are direct results of chemists' tireless work in understanding, manipulating, and applying the properties of matter to improve human health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to visit mentivatia.com, where you'll find a wide range of educational e-learnings, videos, and articles, all completely free. It's your go-to resource for deepening your understanding across science, history, and more. And if you'd like to keep learning with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming your way.